You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello, I'm Shell. So today's video, I have a PR package from none other than Madam Glam. They were kind enough to send me over 5 colors from their new collection, which is called the Magnetic Love Collection. And there's a total of 8 colors altogether. I was able to pick out 5. I've already swatched these off camera because I wanted to save time, because I wanted to do a quick little nail design for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing the colors, I'm going to show you what they look like swatched, and then we're going to create a nail look. So stay tuned, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly take out all of the colors. So let's start off with this one. The first color right here is a cream color, and it is Cupid's Kiss. And this is what it looks like. This really pretty pink. And I'll show you what that color looks like swatched. Now this is the only cream color that I picked out of this collection. And that is what the color looks like. Really pretty. So then the next color we have is called Icy Touch. And these 4 colors that I have, these are Soak Off Cat Eye. So they're a glitter. And these colors are so freaking gorgeous. So pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that color move. So pretty. And I like how the front of the bottle has the little sparkle to let you know. So once again, that is called Icy Touch. And this is what that color looks like. Really pretty. Okay. And then the next color is Moonlit Romance. Really, really pretty pink. I love the little silver shimmer that it has on the inside. And as you can see, it does have the magnetic particles moving. Really pretty. And I'll show you what that one looks like swatched. And this is that color. So gorgeous. Okay. And then we have this one right here. Love's Abyss. This is really pretty. I love this color. It has almost like a pinkish purple tone to it. Really pretty. And I'll show you what that looks like with the magnet as well. So gorgeous. I absolutely love Madam Glam polishes. They're a very great company. Okay, and then that is that color. Look how gorgeous that pink is. So pretty. I love it. And then last but not least from this collection is Sparkly Hearts. And this one has a little bit of a purple undertone to this pink. More so than the other one. Really pretty. And I'll show you these two side by side so you can see the difference in the shade of color. But As you can see, the particles do move. Really pretty. And I love these because you don't necessarily have to use this as a cat eye. This is a great sparkle just all by itself. Like, sometimes you get those cat eye polishes and the payoff is not good unless you use the magnetic. But with these, you definitely can do both. So it's almost like a 2-in-1, I think, in my opinion. And so that color is this color right here. Then, like I said, I'll show you the two colors together so you can see the difference in the shades. This one right here is more pinker, and then this one has the purple undertone. Really pretty. So once again, these are all of the colors that I got from that collection. It looks like they have a total of 1, 2, 3. They have 4 cream colors and then 4 of the sparkle cat eye. So I wanted to get those because you pretty much, for me at least, I'm always choosing the cream colors, and I wanted to add some more sparkles and cat eye colors to my collection. So I thought that would be a great idea to pick those. So I got all 4 of the cat eye and then just 1 of the cream colors. So that's what those 5 colors look like. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to move these out the way, and then we're going to come up with a quick little simple nail look. Okay, so I have this cute little magnetic plate right here with 5 tips on it. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use, actually, I'm going to do these 2 colors. So I'm going to do just 1 nail with this. I'm going to do an accent, and then I'm going to polish the other 4 with this. And we're going to do just some little abstract 3D design on top. So I'm not going to talk through this. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm using, and I'll play some music. Hopefully you guys can like this video. If you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and create this nail look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, so here are the 4 nails. I did do a top coat. I mean, not a top coat. I did a second coat off camera. Now I'm going to go in with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. And once these come out the light, what I like to do is, because I'm going to add chrome. I don't know if this is necessary, but I found that it works for me. I like to take a note lint wipe and I'll put alcohol on it, and then I'll cleanse the nail with that, because when I do my chrome isolation, I just find that it helps it not to stick to any other area that I don't want it to stick to. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this and stick it in the lap. Okay, so I have those out of the light, and now I'm going to go in with a no lint wipe, and I'm going to use some 99% alcohol, and I'm just going to give these a nice little rub down. And I like to do this whenever I'm doing chrome, just to guarantee that no chrome gets stuck in an area that I do not want it in. I find that this helps me. I'm not sure if this is something that they recommend you do. I just found that it works for me. So if you guys ever struggle with that when you're doing chrome isolation and you find that it sticks to the nail, try taking it and cleaning it with some alcohol and see if that helps. So also a trick too is, this is dirty, but these wedges work really well when you want to clean up the excess. I found that works better than actually brushing it off. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use, I have some rhinestone gel glue that I like to use, and I'm going to create my design on using that. Okay, so I have these out of the light, and this is what they look like so far. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this chrome, and I'm just going to chrome that design. You can use a sponge. Like I showed, you can use those little mini sponges. You can use those little silicone tools, but I'm just going to take my finger, because it's just for display purposes anyway. And I'm just going to get some on my glove, and I'm just going to varnish that in. And I'm not really concerned if I get it over the actual nail itself. That's why I said it was because I took the alcohol and I rubbed any extra off. I'm not concerned if it sticks to the nail because it'll wipe right off. So I'm just going to do this to all the 4 of the nails. And a little does go a long way. Now we'll take this and I'm going to dust this off. But as you can see, it's not getting it completely off. That's why I said for me, I found that this doesn't work as good as using the sponge. But just for video purposes, I'm going to show you. Okay. Now I'm going to take my sponge and I'm just going to go in. And as you can see, it's removing all of that extra. Okay, compared to the brush. Okay, so I'm going to finish this off camera and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next. Okay, so this is what they're looking like. Now, I did do the other two without using the brush because I find using that brush sometimes it smears it all over the nail, whereas if you use the makeup sponge, you don't have that much to clean up. And you can also go in and clean up any extra that you see that you didn't remove with some alcohol or some acetone. Just get you a cleanup brush. Just be mindful when you're doing it. Try not to disturb the color because we haven't sealed that in. So now I'm going to go in. I'm going to use that same rhinestone gel that I used to create the design. I'm going to go in and cover the design because I don't want, once I put the top coat on it, I don't want to contaminate my top coat with that. And I'm also going to go in with some little tiny micro beads, and I'm going to just add a few on there, and then we're going to be done. And I'm not too concerned about making this perfect because I'm going to top coat this anyway. So if I was doing it just as a matte with the shiny on top, then I would be a little bit more careful on how I apply it. But because it's going to get top coated anyway, I'm not really concerned about it spilling over or anything. I just kind of want to cover it up because, like I said, I don't want to contaminate or move that chrome. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of that same gel, and wherever I want to add the beads. And so I'm just going to add maybe 2 or 3. And I'm using the silver. I'm going to show you one more, and then I'll do the rest off camera, and then I'll come back with it top coat and I'll show you what the final look. Okay guys, so here is the finished nail look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this. And if you would like to purchase this collection, I'll have a discount code down in the description as well. So you make sure you guys always check down in the description for any discount codes. I absolutely love the way this nail look came out. You could absolutely have left this matte with the shiny, but I wanted to go shiny. I thought these came out really, really gorgeous. Just a cute, simple, abstract nail. I love it. So, thank you so much if you stayed to the end of this video. I truly appreciate you. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that subscribes to my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, like I said, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need.